The crypto landscape in 2025 is more mature and regulated than ever before. Institutions are investing, real-world use cases are driving value, and hype coins are fading into the background. Before you invest your $1,000, understand the dominant trends: asset tokenization, AI and blockchain integration, Layer 2 scaling, regulated stablecoins, and decentralized infrastructure networks. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always diversify to manage risk and maximize growth opportunities. Are you sitting on a $1,000 and wondering how to turn it into something bigger through crypto? Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's dabbled in crypto before, 2025 is the perfect year to get serious. But where do you even begin? Which coins should you buy? Should you play it safe or swing for the fences? How to invest $1,000 in crypto, 2025 guide. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how to invest $1,000 in crypto in 2025 with 3 different strategies: low risk, medium risk, and high risk, plus the latest trends, tools, and pro tips you don't want to miss. Let's go. Segment 1: Understanding the crypto landscape in 2025. The crypto world in 2025 is nothing like what it was in 2020 or 2021. Regulations are tighter, blockchain technology is more mature, and the industry has separated hype from utility. Major institutions are in, meme coins are out, or at least fading, and real-world use cases are what matter now. Before you even invest $1, you need to understand the environment you're entering. In 2025, here are the 5 dominant crypto themes: real-world asset tokenization. Think property, stocks, and commodities on the blockchain. AI plus blockchain integration. Projects combining artificial intelligence with decentralized data. Layer 2. Scaling solutions. Ethereum and other L1s are speeding up thanks to L2s like Arbitrum and Base. Regulated stablecoins and CBDCs, central banks are coming in heavy. Deepen, decentralized physical infrastructure networks. Projects like Helium and Render are expanding. Segment 2. Setting your investment mindset. Rule number 1. Don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Rule number 2. Be patient. You're not here to gamble, you're here to grow. On-screen animation. 3 buckets: safety, growth, moonshots. We'll divide your $1,000 into 3 buckets depending on your risk appetite: low-risk strategy, safe growth; medium-risk strategy, balanced portfolio; high-risk strategy, aggressive/moonshots. Segment 3. Low-risk strategy, $1,000, breakdown. This is for the conservative investor. Maybe it's your first time. We're aiming for steady, reliable growth with established cryptos and staking rewards. Allocation: $500, Bitcoin, BTC, $300, Ethereum, ETH, $100, Chainlink, Link, $100, USDC, for staking or yield farming. Bitcoin and Ethereum are still the kings. They're battle-tested and increasingly institutional. Chainlink powers the Oracle infrastructure of the blockchain, and USDC gives you a stable position to earn passive income. Optional add-on: use DeFi platforms like Aave, Lido, or Coinbase for ETH staking. Segment 4. Medium risk strategy, $1,000 breakdown. Now we're dialing it up. The medium risk strategy blends blue chips with growth potential. Allocation: $300, Bitcoin $250, Ethereum $150, Injective, INJ, $100, Polygon, Matic, $100, Arbitrum, ARB, $100, Stargate Finance or Render Network. Here you've got solid foundation in BTC and ETH, but also exposure to fast movers in DeFi, AI, and L2s. Injective is huge in DeFi derivatives. Polygon and Arbitrum are L2s scaling the Ethereum network. Render gives you a taste of AI plus GPU crypto. Segment 5. High-risk moonshot strategy. $1,000 breakdown. All right, risk takers, let's talk moonshots. This is for those who can stomach high volatility. Big risks, potentially big rewards. Allocation, $250. AI-focused tokens like FET, Fetch.ai, or AGX, SingularityNet, $250. Gaming or metaverse, projects like Immutable X, IMX, or Beam, $150. Pre-market tokens or launchpads like DAO Maker, Seedify, or Polkastarter, $150. Decentralized physical infrastructure, DePIN, e.g., Helium, Akash, Render, $100. Meme token with utility, e.g., Floki or PA with staking options, $100. DX. Governance tokens, like GMX, DYDX, or Uniswap. The goal here isn't to throw darts in the dark. You're still doing research, looking for actual utility, and using platforms that have strong community and development teams. Segment 6. Where to buy these tokens. Stick with trustworthy platforms. For most of these tokens, you can use Binance Coinbase, KuCoin Kraken, OKX Gate.io for early-stage or exotic coins. Pro tip: use a cold wallet like Ledger or Trezor for long-term storage. Segment 7. Tools every investor needs. Want to level up your investing? Use these tools. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, price tracking token. Unlocks. Know when large token vesting happens. DEX tools. DeFi coin analysis, crypto Twitter. Follow thought leaders YouTube. Subscribe for my updates. Glassnode, Messery. On-chain analytics TradingView. For charting, Segment 8. Mistakes to avoid. Let's save you from losing money. Avoid these crypto traps. FOMO buying. Don't buy a coin just because it's pumping. Not using a wallet. Leaving everything on exchanges is risky. Ignoring fees. Gas and exchange fees can eat your profits. Overexposure to one coin. Always diversify. Investing without research. DYOR. Always. Segment 9. How to reinvest profits. Once your $1,000 turns into $1,500 or more, you have options. Reinvest profits into safer coins. Stake earnings for passive income. Set up a crypto savings plan, DCA monthly. Rotate into new emerging sectors, AI, L2s, etc. Segment 10. Final thoughts and pro tips. Whether you're in it for the long haul or hoping to flip your $1,000 into something bigger, the key is education, patience, and smart diversification. In 2025, crypto isn't about hype, it's about strategy. Bonus tips. Join crypto communities on Telegram, Reddit, and Discord. Consider subscribing to premium newsletters. Stay updated with regulation news. They affect markets more than tweets these days. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite crypto pick for 2025, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly updates. I've got a brand new video coming on the top 10 airdrops for 2025. You don't want to miss it.